Ndumiriri-ini yake muthenya wa ira akinyita ugeni ambunge eru aria maracagurirwo na kiama kia ODM ithurano-ini nini iria ciriga gutabanio kiumia kihituku. Mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Oburu Oginga ni arakinyiriirie no nginya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza itigirire maundu 10 thiini wa riboti ya NADCO NIMAKINYANIRIA. Omothe kamiti iria ihokeirwo ukinyaniri-ini wa maundu maya igitamburukia haria mutaratara uyu ukinyite.
During the last 3 days retreat, the committee took time to go through the 10-point agenda in its entirety, in details, breaking down each of those 10 points in terms of understanding them, looking for indicators, looking for KPIs, key performance indicators, even for the measurement, which is where we are going to in the work. In other words, preparing already for our methodology.
Kiaria thutha wa kamiti ino gukorwo na gikaro mwena wa Machakos, MUIKARIRI giti wa kamiti ino AGNES ZANI ni ataririe ni marikitie kuhitukira maundu maya na njira ndikiru niguo guthondeka mubango mwagiriru wa ukinyaniria wamo.
We are also looking at issues of debt, issues of corruption, issues of inclusivity, issues of wastage, issues of sovereignty of the people, issues of the compensation for protesters. All these issues moving into detail to see whether the infrastructure that has been put into place has actually been able to implement, and we are coming to oversee where that process is.
ZANI no ugite ni maranyitanira na anyiti itemi hongeini itiganite niguo kwamukira mawoni megie maria mabatie gwikirirwo na ho kugereka kabiro wagiriru wa mitaratara ya iria iho hari ukinyaniria wa maundu maya.
We want to partner with as many stakeholders as is possible. We welcome these stakeholders to partner with us as this committee extensively engages with those stakeholders and members of the public in public participation and the 10-point agenda related consultation.
Mweri-ini wa gatatu mwaka uyu nirio President William Ruto na uria wari mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM mutigaire Raila Odinga mekiranire ngirimiti ya ukinyaniria wa agenda ici, mamwe ma maundu maya makihutia ung'ethaniri wa garama ya muturire, mwathanire muru, waragania ithurano-ini gatagati ka mangi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.